This next entry is another watershed study program. What they did was the teacher announced that they had received a letter from Randy Huffman, Secretary of the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection. And Mr. Huffman is asking for data on water quality. Reason. The teacher brings up, here are the list of endangered rivers in the United States, and it turns out 2 of those rivers are in West Virginia. So we need to study how do we protect this river. They used Thinkfinity Resources to study nitrates. They got expertise from outside sources. A guest speaker from Chesapeake Energy came to the classroom. A guest speaker from local river conservation groups came in and talked. But in the end, they had to get on a bus and go to the river. They went and studied, with the help of the local experts, they studied invertebrate life, they studied nitrate levels, they studied oxygen levels. When they came back to school, they used Excel, they used other tools to analyze their findings and to create a report. When they came to their conclusions, a group conclusion on what should be done, they drafted a classroom letter and sent it back to, an actual letter to Mr. Huffman at the West Virginia Department of Environmental Security.